Close your eyes and imagine an engineer.
What is the first thing that came to your mind?
A man with a white cap.
Or a guy wearing spectacles working on a computer?
Or did you think of someone like me?
A woman working on the power plant?
Or a female working at a construction site?
Did you think of a woman working in engineering?
If not, it's alright, because we are generally entitled to think engineers as male only.
But today we are here to change your perspective.
To change the mental and social stigma, and to break the unseen boundaries that were made to stop us for portraying our exceptional potential.
We are here to introduce you the women wing of ASME NED. Our vision is to convey the idea of fair representation to women in STEM, particularly engineering. Women in Engineering, also known as WIE, is basically a platform for promotion of female scientists and engineers, and to inspire young girls to pursue their academic careers in engineering. One of the barriers that is often found in the field of engineering is that the lack of female role models.
The engineering field is dominated by male professionals, so more number of women should be recruited in the field of engineering so they can play a positive role breaking the gender stereotypes.
It's important for women not to feel intimidated by such roles and responsibilities, but instead feel confident and empowered by the prospect of an engineering career.
It's important for young girls to have successful female engineers to whom they could look up to in order to see the positive impact they are creating in the world. Moreover, having women alongside men in every stage of the designing process is the key to ensure that both male and female perspectives are taken into account, which allows a diversity of thought and a better production to be produced.
Engineering is a field that is directly related to human life and its problems. Hence, it is important to take both men and women on page to make products that are related to them.
Even though quarter of engineers are female, this number has been gradually increasing over the last few decades, adding more and more qualified women to the engineering workforce. As more women are choosing to pursue engineering degrees and entering this field, there is still much more that should be done to encourage this trend.
I would not be termed as wrong by saying that being a woman engineer, the biggest challenge I had to face is to prove myself against the mental stigma that you are a woman, how dare you can do that? Because engineering is itself associated with men and people usually can't think of a woman engineer.
But I think this narrative can be changed. However, no one else can do it except women.
To continue to encourage women to join the future field of engineering so they can play a positive role and creating a friendly environment for them. So in future our industry will grow more and more.
To every woman out there, I want you to know that I believe in your potential. And once we women start owning our career in engineering, this mental stigma and social norms will change. We have many remarkable women engineers within Pakistan, like Arfa Kareem, Dr. Shahla Salim, and Zertaj Wasim. And the list goes on. But the point I'm trying to make is that these women excelled in their respective domains, and that is enough to prove that talent and intelligence are not bound to any specific gender.
The aim of this women wing is to expand the image of engineering and to demonstrate the value of diversity and inclusion in the field of engineering. Because we believe
Women in engineering are the future.